cucumber pickle.
Okay.
Okay, I cut about 4 Costco cucumber. What they call the finger cucumber or snack cucumber.
Snack cucumber, small
Okay.
cucumber,
Yeah, I put about 5 inside.
Persian cucumber.
And I saute and see the water come out.
How much salt you put in it?
About 1 tablespoon.
How long you leave the salt in there?
Oh, about 10 minutes.
Okay.
And you watch all the salt. Okay. Then you put in the material.
Oh, you're gonna squeeze it.
Mm-hmm. And
Gotta give the cucumbers a big hug.
yeah, big hug.
All right.
You squeeze the cucumber, all the water come out, and now you put the 2 teaspoons brown sugar and noodle Mentsuyu.
Mentsuyu. All right.
You put
Which is a kind of soup base, yeah?
in the noodle soup.
Mhm.
3 tablespoons. Okay?
Okay.
And
Some vinegar.
yeah, 1 tablespoon vinegar.
All right.
And then you put the cucumber inside.
Don't forget some.
And they put about half cup of ginger. No, little less than a half cup of chopped ginger.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
About a 1/3 cup.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And put the chili pepper. If you like a hot pickle, put the plenty, but I don't want too hot, so only I put the 1.
1 chili pepper cut up.
Okay, now I cook it all the way the water that the soup, Mentsuyu soup go away.
Till it all boils off.
Yeah,
About how long you think that is? 4 minutes or so?
yeah, 4 minutes or 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
Until all the soup is boiled away. Okay, it's been cooking about 4 minutes
Now you put the 1 tablespoon.
of shoyu, 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
Okay.
Okay. If you cook the low heat, cucumber is not going to be crunchy, so you have to do the high heat.
All right. High heat we will use.
Okay.
Hot, careful.
Okay.
There's what it looks like after 9 minutes. You can let this cool, put it in a bottle, put it in the refrigerator, store it for a couple of weeks. And every time you eat rice, if you want a good pickle on the side, this is something good to add to your meal.
If you like more salt, you can put more sugar. More shoyu. But I don't like. We old. We don't put so much salt.
Sounds good to me.
Okay.
Remember, this has been Kyoko's Kitchen. Please subscribe, and if you hit the little bell on the side, you'll get alerted anytime a new recipe shows up. Thank you for watching.